This is what I said. Tell my niggas, I say, just watch the door, I'm coming, keep my feelings inside. People watching me in public on my dick, cause I'm different. I don't be with that stunting. When my niggas want marching bands blowing they trumpets, keep it real up in my section. There's no stunting, no repping, no matter how a nigga might take it. I'm still being me with this hectic peak, they rules and I ain't like them, so I came out with my own book. They eyes open, they gon' look. I ride around like a lone wolf in the bridge, they know I'm vicious. Come down the block with the tool out. My knuckle game been serious since I ran punk with school out. My homies got their work, but I don't like handouts on my own. But they got enough bricks to build my home, but I don't like hustling. I like home, be by my lonely on the mission. My homies stuck with a cell charge. Got a couple others that's jokes and keep my flows harder than jail balls. 2009, my life was fine till Ray showed me how to wave money. About 80 bands in a duffel bag, and he telling me that's play money. Don't play with him. I'll lay it on the other end of my barrel. Blow, I was joked on, got joked off. They was laughing in, I'm laughing out. They hoes on me. I can't take it, they so phony, I can't fake it right above a pussy and stay dating on my mind, I'm going crazy, I'm amazing. Free Ray. I just recorded this at work, I gotta get back to work, I'm gonna fuck with y'all later. But free my nigga Ray, you hear me, my big homie. What up?